A beautiful landscape of Finland with its snow-covered forests, serene lakes and charming wooden cabins. The scene transitions to a cozy café in Helsinki, where our love story begins. A faint snowfall is visible outside the café windows. Finland, the land of endless forests, pristine lakes and breathtaking northern lights. A country where the pace of life is slow and love blossoms in subtle, beautiful ways. Today we're diving into the world of Finnish dating. One that's quiet, understated and rooted in deep emotional connections. But first, let's meet our characters. This is Eero and Aino. They've been crossing paths at this same cafe for months now, exchanging glances, sharing small talk, but never quite saying what's on their minds. In Finland, relationships often start like this, through everyday moments, simple gestures and quiet observation, but today something feels different. Eero is S1. Do you think maybe after this we could go for a walk? Aino as S2. I'd like that. In Finland, dating isn't about grand gestures or elaborate plans. It's about simplicity, sharing space, and enjoying the little things. For Eero and Aino, this walk is more than just a casual stroll. It's the start of something real. But in true Finnish fashion, there's no rush, no pressure, just two people walking together in comfortable silence. Dating in Finland is different from many places around the world. There's no need for over-the-top flirting or forced conversation. Silence is cherished here. In Finnish culture, silence isn't awkward. It's a form of respect, a way of being present with one another. And as Aino and Eero walk side by side, their silence speaks volumes. Finnish dating culture often reflects the country's emphasis on modesty and directness. There's little room for mind games or ambiguity. If someone likes you, they'll let you know, but they'll also respect your space. And that's the beauty of it. Everything unfolds naturally at its own pace, like the changing seasons. One of the most unique aspects of dating in Finland is the connection to nature. Whether it's a walk through the woods, a visit to a lakeside cabin, or simply sitting by the water, Finns find romance in the outdoors. It's where many relationships begin to flourish. Eero, do you think it's strange that we don't talk much? No, not at all. I like the quiet. In Finland, it's not unusual for couples to spend time together without the need for constant conversation. Finns value deep connections, and sometimes words aren't necessary. It's in the quiet moments that love can truly grow. As their relationship continues, Eero and Aino will experience more of what makes Finnish dating unique. Equality plays a huge role in relationships here. Both partners often share responsibilities, whether that's splitting the cost of dinner or taking turns planning their time together. There's no expectation for one person to lead. Relationships in Finland are partnerships in the truest sense.
I like that we do things our own way. No pressure, just us.
Yeah, it's nice. It feels like we're building something slowly.
Finns often approach relationships with a long-term perspective. While casual dating exists, many Finns seek stability and loyalty in their relationships. Once they've found someone they connect with, things tend to progress naturally but steadily. It's common for couples to move in together after dating for a while, and cohabitation without formal marriage is widely accepted. Another aspect of Finnish dating that stands out is the understated way Finns show affection. Public displays of affection are usually minimal, but that doesn't mean love isn't there. Instead, Finns show their love through actions, whether that's making sure their partner is comfortable or simply being there when it matters most. In Finnish dating culture, it's the little things that count. A gentle touch, a shared smile, a moment of quiet togetherness. These are the building blocks of love. For Eero and Aino, their journey has only just begun, but it's clear that they're building something real. A connection rooted in authenticity, equality, and a deep understanding of one another. So, What's the secret to dating in Finland? It's about being genuine. Finns value honesty, equality, and emotional depth. They don't rush into things, but when they commit, it's with their whole heart. Finnish dating culture may seem quiet, but it's in these quiet moments that love speaks the loudest. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Finnish dating culture. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. What are dating traditions like in your country? Let us know in the comments below.